Activity brewing in the tropics and quite frankly right on schedule. This is the statistical peak of the hurricane season. September 10th today, that's when we really get things rocking and rolling in the Atlantic, and as if right on cue, we have 3 hurricanes out there. We'll take a look at each of these, but I wanted to start first with this tropical wave that's in the Caribbean. It has about the 40% chance of development in the next 5 days as it moves northwest into the Gulf of Mexico. As of right now, I'm thinking the impacts from this, even if it doesn't become a named storm, could be across the Lone Star State primarily. But that's something we're going to continue to watch pretty closely. Now, here are the 3 hurricanes, Helene, Isaac, and Florence. Let's start with Helene. The great news is, although it is a Category 2 hurricane right now, it's going to track off to sea. No problem whatsoever. As for Isaac, this storm is going to continue on a westward track, moving into the Caribbean by later this week. We'll be watching this. Right now, it's too far out to see if it will move into the Gulf of Mexico, but that's something we will have our eye on as well. And then, of course, there is Florence. All right, now max sustained winds 130 miles per hour. You can see the well-defined eye, the counterclockwise rotation. Bottom line, this is a monster storm, and it's heading towards the East Coast. Here's the official track. It will continue to gain strength as we head throughout the day tomorrow and even into Wednesday as well. Thinking it will make landfall along the Carolina coast as we head into late Thursday, early Friday. Now, what has led it to jump from a Category 1 to a Category 4 in just a matter of hours is the warm waters that it's over. That's really the main fuel for these tropical systems. A low wind shear environment also helps lead to the rapid intensification. So we're going to continue to watch this. Although no direct impacts for us here in Mississippi, it is going to be a monumental storm for the East Coast. And what could be problematic is these high pressures somewhat blocking it. So even after it makes landfall late Thursday and into early Friday, it's really not going to have anywhere to go. So that could really enhance the rainfall threat across the Carolinas and up into the mid-Atlantic as well.